Yo, dude, imagine you wake up tomorrow and the entire planet, every single human, is locked into the exact same emotion for 24 straight hours. No exceptions. One emotion worldwide. What would actually happen?
Bro, that's straight up terrifying and hilarious at the same time. Okay, let's start with the best one first. Everyone is happy. Pure, uncontrollable joy. 8 billion people giggling like they just smoked the world's strongest weed.
Bro, the stock market opens and traders are crying tears of joy while buying random meme coins. I just lost 50 grand and I've never felt more alive. Planes are doing barrel rolls because pilots are like, woo, flying is fun.
Traffic? Zero road rage. Everyone's letting each other merge, windows down, blasting Pharrell's Happy on repeat. Horns are being honked in Riva like it's a parade.
Hospitals? Doctors walking in like, sir, you have stage 4, but look at this puppy video. Patients dying of laughter, literally.
Funerals turn into full-blown parties. He lived a great life. Group hug. Crying? Impossible. People trying to mourn but just ending up roasting the dead guy in the best way possible.
Weddings? Forget it. Everyone's already so happy. The couple just says, sure, whatever, and the priest is doing backflips.
But here's the dark twist. After like 6 hours of nonstop euphoria, people start getting weird, like, I'm so happy I want to punch a wall just to feel something else.
Happiness fatigue, bro. By noon, half the planet is chasing sadness like junkies. Someone insult me, please.
Okay, flip it. What if everyone wakes up angry, full rage mode, 100% pure fury?
The alarm goes off. Why the hell is the sun shining? I will fight the sun!
Morning coffee? Too hot. Smash. Too cold. Smash. Exists? Smash the mug.
Traffic jams turn into Mad Max within 10 minutes. Everyone's out of their cars swinging steering wheels like Thor's hammer.
Social media? Just billions of all caps posts. I hate my toast. Same bro, let's burn the bread factory.
Armies mobilize, but they're so angry they just start fighting each other immediately. You looked at my tank wrong, and boom.
By lunchtime, the entire world is on fire, literally. Someone got mad at a forest and now Canada's gone.
And nobody can calm down because anger is contagious when it's universal. 24 hours of this, humanity ends by 8 p.m. Easy.
Okay, next one. Everyone is sad. Clinical, soul-crushing depression for a full day.
I woke up and the blanket was too heavy, so I just stayed there.
Sniffling. Bro, I looked at my phone and I have 0 notifications. I'm not even surprised.
Nobody goes to work. Planes don't take off because pilots are like, what's the point? Why fly? We're all gonna die anyway.
Every song on the radio is Adele on repeat. Spotify Wrapped 2025 is just one song. Hello, 17 billion times.
Suicide hotlines? The operators are also crying too hard to talk. Thank you for calling. We're all so alone.
But weirdly, some people might find comfort, like finally, everyone gets it. The pain is universal now.
Yeah, imagine the group therapy session of 8 billion people just lying on the floor, whispering, same, same.
All right, let's go darker. Everyone is horny. 24 hours of maximum libido.
Bro, good luck leaving your house.
You open the door, the Uber driver's like, get in or get on, your choice.
Work Zoom calls? Everyone's in lingerie. The boss is like, team Q4 projections are, oh, wow, Karen, nice.
Schools shut down immediately. Teachers can't teach, students can't learn, janitors quitting on the spot.
Priests, monks, nuns, doesn't matter. The Vatican becomes Coachella real quick.
Population explodes exactly 9 months later. Year 2026, 16 billion babies, all named Chad or Stacy.
Birth control? Forgotten. Condom factories can't keep up. Workers too busy in the break room.
Okay, but what if everyone is just bored? Maximum apathy.
I woke up, whatever, brushed my teeth, Or didn't. Who cares?
Yawning. The news is like, nuclear war declared, and everyone's like, yeah, seen it.
Stock market crashes. Nobody bothers selling, just shrugs and goes back to scrolling TikTok at 0.25x.
Planes fall out of the sky because pilots are like, autopilot exists, effort is pain.
Humanity doesn't die dramatically. We just slowly stop, like a phone at 1% battery.
Bro, the scariest one, everyone feels nothing. Complete emotional flatline.
You wake up, no joy, no sadness, no anger, no fear, just blank.
You could win the lottery and feel the same as getting hit by a bus, zero reaction.
People walking into traffic not because they want to die, but because why not? No fear, no pain, no curiosity.
Society runs on autopilot for a few hours, then everything stops. Nobody has motivation to eat, drink, breathe properly.
We'd all just sit there staring at walls until we dehydrate. Quietest extinction ever.
Okay, let's end on a wild one. Everyone feels childlike wonder, pure 5-year-old energy.
Excited kid voice? The sky is blue. How? The grass is green. Who did this?
Same energy. Look, a pigeon. It has wings. It can fly. This is the best day ever.
Scientists abandon research to chase butterflies. CEOs quit to build blanket forts.
Wars stop because soldiers drop guns and start playing CAG. You're it. No tagbacks.
Everyone's drawing with crayons, eating ice cream for breakfast, crying when bedtime is mentioned, but bedtime never comes because no adults left.
Honestly, might be the best timeline. We all just play until we pass out from joy.
Bro, which one do you pick? 24 hours, one emotion, whole world. What are you manifesting?
Childlike wonder, 100%. Reset humanity to factory settings. Pure awe.
Same. Let's all unlearn cynicism for a day and just look at clouds again.
Deal. But if tomorrow everyone wakes up angry, we're meeting at the bread factory with torches.
It's been a real, fam. Stay emotionally chaotic, but not too chaotic.
Peace out. Or war, depending on tomorrow's vibe.
Both laughing as it fades out.